Hi guys, I'm Zakir Hussain. I think you are very well. So I invite you to my online class. Dear learners, we will learn a very common topics today, but in exceptional way. And the way is for this class. Dear learners, in a sentence, in English, especially in English sentence, we use a verb, that means principal verb or finite verb. Okay, so how many ways, in how many forms we use a verb? So I have selected the topic of the class today as the basic usable form of a verb. Have you guessed something by my topics? Basic usable forms of a verb. I want to say in this class we will learn how many way we can use a verb or how many way we usually use a verb. So the basic usable form, you have to remember basic usable form. Dear learners, we can use a verb basically in 5 ways. In 5 ways. So let us see. The first one here, the first one is uh, present form, and these forms are in two types. One is base form and the other is S form. Look at this here. For our example, we have chosen a verb eat. We have chosen a verb eat for our class today. How we can use these eat verbs in the sentences? So at first, in present forms we use eat, like this base form. I eat pizza. I eat pizza. Here it has been used in the base form. Next, here is S form. Look at the sentence. He eats pizza. He eats pizza. Here is eat and here is S. So this form of the verb eat is considered here as S form. Next, 2. Uh, past form. Past form. Look at the sentence. I eat pizza. I eat pizza. I ate pizza. Here you can see the ate in the form of past. In the form of past. This is the another usable form of eat. Number 3, past participle. I have eaten pizza. Here you can see the past form. Here you can see the PP form, that means past form of the verb eat. And the next one is present participle. Present participle or in the gerundial form, you can use the verb eat in this way. I like eating pizza. I like eating pizza. Here you can see ing. That means ing form. It can be considered as ing form of the verb. Have you learned it, dear learners? So how many ways we have used the it verb? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the basic usable form of it, which is a principal verb. Now at this point I want to say we can use a verb in basically in these 5 forms. Without these 5 kinds of forms, you cannot use a principal verb. I want to make you clear again. You can only use a verb only in 5 forms. Okay? That means without these five forms, we cannot be able to use a verb. Thank you.